If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. I think I'm good. J-Hope's intro in 3. Oh man, I'm excited. 3, 2, 1.
What Zeus had kept inside the box broke loose from their
Oh, we going Zeus?
All that was foul was now unleashed upon the world.
Oh, Pandora's box.
Unable to undo what she had done.
And Jack was in that box. You need to sit down, man? Nah, I need to stand up. I feel like I need to just stand up. I've been sitting down all day. All right, Pandora's box. Let's go. So much bass. Oh, it sounds like old, like I said, like that boom bop ish. Ooh, the background. Wait. That background though, the like, wait, hold up. What is that background noise? And the fact that his album cover is a collab with Cause, of course. Ooh! This is the type of song, somebody said sit your ass down, I remember. Not those exact words, but sit down. This is a type of song that you need to sit down and just bob to. Not like a get up and dance type of ish. Some old school hip hop. It's actually really like old school hip hop. Or like Seo Taji and the boys kind of ish. Ooh! The piano and instrumental in the background too? 3, 2, 1! Listen to BTS mode, this shit's fire. Bro, listen. They're gonna create, I feel like these solos, even though it's gonna be a while, or at least they're in hiatus obviously, but they're doing their solos, and we're gonna see their individual colors, which is gonna be even more like, even bigger of a comeback when they come back together. That's what I'm excited for. But next up is More. More is quite interesting. It reminds me of like Cypress Hill. I keep on saying that in my reaction if you ever seen it. Mike Shinoda type beat. Yes, Ghost Card, you're the real one. I actually like the direction that J-Hope's going. I know people are like weirded out or like they're not feeling it, but I'm like, it surprised me, but I like not predicting things. And what's crazy about More, I don't know what the rest of the album, so I feel like More's gonna stand out the most. Arson is more rap focused, but also has that kind of vibe. It feels like the whole album has that vibe too. But I just want to know what's gonna be my favorite out of this whole album. I know most people are gonna say like the whole thing, no skips, but there has to be a fave. And that's what I'm trying to hear it to get. Did you see that? I like the change up of rock, cause I grew up around like Linkin Park and rock, like let's say like Rage Against the Machines, Cypress Hill, like those type of vibes. Next, and Stop. This one's called Stop. He's really going old school-ish. I love it. Ice-T and Threat. Ooh. Stop. It's literally a. Hey. That's crazy. Yo, shout out to J-Hope, bro. Okay, that was Stop. I need a breather. Okay, Equal Sign. Equal Sign's up next. This old beat. It's an old beat, but like that little. Oh! Oh! Who's singing behind him? Who's singing behind him? Is that all J-Hope? Who's singing behind him? Where is the love? It gives you that vibe, and I like it a lot. No, who sang that note? That's J-Hope too? Who sang that note? No way. J-Hope, you be holding. No, I mean, no, you're not holding out on us, but I know you can sing too a little bit, you know. But damn. Ooh. Yo, that's creepy. That's creepy. The heavy breathing. I love the creepy vibe too, Tommy Jackson. You know what this reminds me of? And I just watched Corey X Kenshin. I don't know if you know who that YouTuber is. I watched him play Little Nightmares. And this song reminds me of Little Nightmares for some reason. It's like... Alright, what's next? No! No way! Wait a second! What if it's fucking ODB? I don't know if y'all are too young for ODB. They sampled ODB. No way. No way. No way. That hoodie hitting? Thank you. Old Dirty Bastard. So ODB is Wu-Tang. It's from Wu-Tang. Rest in peace. He had a song called Ooh Baby I Like It Raw. Or sample. Woo! Oh, this is literally a boom bap type of album. Like literally like just literally just like this. Ooh. Ooh. The instrumental. Bro, he legit made Dre's camera quality so script. Thank you, thank you. Yo, he already caught me with that old school beat, bro. Holy shit. Let me play the original track that I know from. I grew up listening to this. ODB Shimmy Shimmy Ya. This is the original. And it's kind of cool that they sampled this. Because even back then, the Safety Zone. What's Safety Zone? My favorite right now, personally, is Equal Sign, actually. I like it because it threw me off with J-Hope singing. He's performing at Lollapalooza. You know damn well this album's going to be lit at Lollapalooza, bro. Hold up, I need to get myself situated. Hold up.
내 20대를 바치며 무궁무진한 삶을 살고 있어 다 보란 듯 응답하지만 날 돌아보란 듯 커지는 이며 세상은 빠르게
Man, look like Victor from Ice Skating, man. Stop.
아구는 없듯 내 삶이 적적해져가. Oh my gosh. 마음 맞춰 살아가지만 비극다.
It got like some. Why remind me of like some common stuff too? Like. I thought you had a headband. Nah. Ooh. With the vocal in the back too? It's literally this type of vibe. Like this background right now? Who's singing? Who's singing? This is not Hobie. No, who's this? Who's the singer? Safety Zone. Pretty fire.
Always. I needed to. When I said I do, 용기와 믿음, 긍정의 rhythm. Always I needed to. When I said I do, 이래를 건. 내려 와버린 피, 겨울동겠어, 매우지기겠어, 결국 변화하고 영원한 건 없잖아. You know we know.
This reminds me of high school. Me too, Lena. Me too. Needed to. I do. Which song is this? This is Future. This like, yeah, this Future before Arson. Oh, I like this song too. I like, oh, J-Hope. Let's go. 21-minute album. Damn, that's so short. Dun, 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 dun. It's definitely different from the rest. I really do like that. I'm glad. I love when I can't predict shit. Should I put out the fire or should I burn brighter? That shit hits home, bro. Like, especially, bro. Burn brighter, bro. Even though it does take out the whole world, we're here to watch. We're here to watch this whole world burn, basically. There's no features. That's why I was like so impressed when I saw it. Thank you for coming through. Hopefully hit that follow. Guys, if you haven't already, join the Discord. I think, I don't know, after hearing everything, I started with arson and more, but now I think it's like equal sign, safety zone, future. Oh, no. Equal sign. Either equal sign or safety zone or future is at the top. Then what if? Then arson, Pandora's box, and more. That's it. If I were to put it like a list right now from my first listen. I feel like more is at the bottom because I've listened to it the most. So everything is brand new to me. And it be hitting. It do be hitting. I just added J-Hope album to my music play. Me too. Solid album. Top 3 is Stop, Safety Zone, and Equal Sign for you. Does everybody have like a top 3? Or you could just say the whole album. Why not? So you don't feel pressured. You don't want to get. I don't want no pressure up here. Arson and more up there for me because I like the nostalgia value. I felt that. I feel like when I want to hear that nostalgia value too, I would go to more and like Stop and arson as well. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.